Let's travel to the USA and see how American school children spend their free time. Look, it's a sports day at school today. Boys and girls are taking part in lots of competitions and doing many activities. They like races most of all. The sack race is really great. It's fun to run in a big sack. There is also the egg and spoon race. To be the winner, you need to finish first with the egg still on the spoon. It's not very easy, but it's fun. One of the favorite races is the three-legged race. Two children tie a leg together to run. It looks like they have 3 legs. Children enjoy it. In the USA, children also like playing sports games in their free time. They like playing football. They like playing basketball and volleyball. What about Russian children? What do they do in their free time? What are their hobbies? Let's travel back to Russia and see. Well, after school, they do a lot of interesting things. Some of them like just reading books, watching TV, or playing computer games. Some children are more active. They do dance, music, and art classes after school because they like dancing, singing, and painting pictures. Some do sports classes. They play football there. They play volleyball, basketball, and many other games. Some kids do martial arts, karate, or judo. Some do drama classes. They wear costumes and put on plays there. After-school classes is a good way to find an interesting hobby, to make friends, and have a good time together. If you want to talk about hobbies, use like doing something in the present simple. They like doing sports. Add the ending s with he, she, it. Dima likes playing basketball. Do not confuse like doing something in the present simple with the verbs in the present continuous. He likes playing football. It's about his hobby. But he is playing football. It's about an action happening right now. So now you know how children in the USA and Russia like spending their free time. You know more words and you can talk about hobbies and activities. What's your hobby? What do you like doing in your free time? Now, it's high time to practice and do some tasks.